Requirements and verification management is a complex issue that every company faces. For aerospace manufacturers, certification is everything. Time is money, and the product development challenges continue to escalate. With Siemens Requirement and Verification Management solution, it is now possible to manage and control all of that information with a fully traceable and auditable chain of data. Built-in requirement management enables you to control and manage your various regulatory, customer, and business requirements while maintaining traceability and ensuring FAA compliance. Establish the information needed for your means and method of compliance by utilizing the solution to clearly establish your various simulation and physical tests, while also tracing them to specific requirements and verifications. Implement major change through our controlled engineering change notices, where you will be able to update EBOMs, test BOMs, requirements, and verification requests, all while maintaining traceability. Utilize Siemens solution to meet regulatory certification faster, with accurate documentation, end-to-end traceability, and a link between the virtual and physical, allowing you to focus on what's important: building great planes.